Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to show you how to find the best companies to invest in. First, you should check the quality of management. It's always a great idea to research the management of any company you're thinking of investing in. Newspaper and magazine articles are good places to get this information, like responsiveness, adaptability, capacity for innovation, and organizational ability. Second, you should avoid overvalued stocks. Overvalued stocks may experience drastic declines in price once their day in the spotlight is over. The best way to determine if a stock is overpriced is to examine its price-earnings ratio, which we will talk about in our next video. The price-to-earnings ratio can usually be found in the company's stock summary on financial websites. Generally, to evaluate a company's P/E ratio, search online for the average P/E ratio in the company's industry. If the P/E ratio is over the industry average, the company could be overpriced in view of its earnings. You can also look for companies with a price-to-book value of less than 2. The price-to-book ratio is the price of the company divided by the total value of its assets minus its liabilities and intangible assets. A low ratio may indicate that the company is relatively cheap. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more valuable videos.